Good morning, students. In this video, we will be doing some past paper sums of A-level trigonometry. Am I clear? So let us start. The parametric equations of a curve are x equal to t square and y equal to 5 minus 2t. Find dy by dx in terms of parameter t. So in the last video, I told you how do we differentiate parametric equations. Whenever its parametric equations are given, dy by dx is nothing but dy by which letter in terms is it given? It's given in terms of t. So dy by dt divided by dx by dt will give you dy by dx. Am I clear? So now x equal to t square. How do I get dx by dt? So on both sides d by dt you place. So this side dx by dt equal to t square differentiation is 2t into d by dt of what letter do you have here? T. So which is only 2t. In the same way, y equal to 5 minus 2t. I want dy by dt, so on both sides d by dt. This gets applied to this and also to this. So dy by dt equal to, when it is applied on 5, it is 0. When it is applied on minus 2t, minus 2 will be out. D by dt of t gets cancelled, it's minus 2. Place it here. Dy by dt is minus 2. By dx by dt we got is 2t. So cancel it out. Minus 1 by t is my dy by dx. Am I clear so far? Now the next one, B. Find equation of a tangent to the curve at the point where t equal to 2. What is equation of a tangent formula? Y minus y1 equal to m times of x minus x1. Right? How much is x1 given to us? X1 equal to t square. So what is the value of t? 2. So 2 square, so my x1 now equal to 4. What is the value for y1? y1 equal to 5 minus 2t. So in place of t you put 2. So it will give me 1. So y1 equal to 1. So what is the value for m? M is nothing but dy by dx, which we got to be minus 1 by t. So place t equal to 2, so minus 1 by 2. Put all these values in this, you will get equation of the tangent. So now it becomes y minus 1 equal to minus 1 by 2 times of x minus 4. Okay, now 2 will come here. So it becomes 2 times y minus 1 equal to minus x plus 4. Here it is 2y minus 2 equal to minus x plus 4. Bring x this side. X plus 2y minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 equal to 0. So this is the equation of the tangent. Am I clear with the sum? Okay. Now look at second sum. The parametric equations of a curve are x equal to 3t and y equal to t cube plus 4t square minus 3t. Find the two values of t for which the curve has gradient 0. Gradient means dy by dx should be equal to 0. Clear? X equal to how much is it given? 3t. And y equal to t cube plus 4t square minus 3t. So it's given in terms of some other letter t. So how do I get dy by dx is nothing but dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Equate it to 0, you will get the values of t. So now I want dx by dt. So on both sides d by dt you put. So dx by dt equal to 3 will come out, dt gets cancelled. Clear? Yeah, next here on both sides d by dt now. So dy by dt equal to 3t square into d by dt of whatever letter t plus 4 into t square is 2t, so it becomes 8t into d by dt of whatever letter t, minus 3 will be out, d by dt of t. Now this gets cancelled, so it is 3t square plus 8t minus 3. Okay, so place it over here. So how much do you get? Dy by dt is 3t square plus 8t minus 3 by 3 equal to 0. That means 3t square plus 8t minus 3 equal to 0. Either you factorize or directly place in the calculator to get two values of t. So the values of t that you get are minus 3 and 1 by 3. So these are my answers. Did you understand? Let us look at next sum. The parametric equations of a curve are x equal to 2 sine theta, y equal to 1 minus 3 cos 2 theta. Find the exact gradient. Gradient means you need dy by dx of a curve at the point theta equal to pi by 3. Now here the parameter is theta, so dy by dx is nothing but dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. Okay, so to get dy by d theta, okay, first let us get dx by d theta. On both sides place d by d theta. So dx by d theta equal to 2 will be out. Sin theta differentiation is cos theta into d by d theta of whatever letter you have here, theta. These two gets cancelled, it's only 2 cos theta. Clear? Now here also on both sides place d by d theta. So it becomes dy by d theta equal to, this gets applied to this and also to this one. Of 1 it is 0, of this it's minus 3 into cos 2 theta minus sin 2 theta into d by d theta of whatever letter you have here, 2 theta. So it becomes 3 sin 2 theta. 2 will be coming out of differentiation. Here it's 2 and d theta gets cancelled. So it is now 6 sin 2 theta. So dy by dx equal to 6 sin 2 theta by dx by d theta is 2 cos theta. Now at what point are they asking gradient? When it is pi by 3. So in place of theta you put pi by 3. So this is equal to 3 sin 2 pi by 3 by cos pi by 3. Put your calculator in radians mode because its angle is given in terms of pi. Place this entire thing in the calculator. You get, okay, you need exact, so it is 3 into 2 pi by 3. How much will it be? Sin 60 it will become, which is root 3 by 2 by cos 60 half. So 2 gets cancelled, you get 3 root 3 is the answer. Did you understand? Let us see next sum. The parametric equations of a curve are x equal to e power 2t, x equal to e power 2t and y equal to 1 plus 2t e power t. Okay, find the equation of normal to the curve at the point where t equal to 0. Again, equation of a normal is y minus y1 equal to m times x minus x1. So whenever it's normal given, first you need to find the tangent slope and then you need to do m1 into m2 equal to minus 1 to get the slope of normal. Now how do you get tangent slope? Tangent slope is nothing but dy by tangent slope is nothing but dy by dx. That is equal to, in terms of t it is, so dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Now first get dx by dt. How much will it become? Place both sides d by dt. So dx by dt equal to e power 2t is e power 2t into d by dt of what you had here, 2t. So it becomes e power 2t into 2 will come out, dt dt gets cancelled. This is my dx by dt. Now next is dy by dt I need to find. So both sides d by dt you put. So dy by dt equal to, when it is applied on 1 it is 0 plus 2 will come out, d by dt of t e power minus t. You need to go with UV rule here or product rule. So which is nothing but 2 brackets, differentiate one at a time. So t differentiation is 1 e power minus t plus t into e power minus t is e power minus t into minus 1. Directly I applied. You can even replace t by 0. So when t is 0, here you get 2. Here how much do you get? 2 into, this is 1 and this is, t is 0, so this is 0. So this one is also 2. So now how much will my slope dy by dx be? 2 by 2, which is 1. So slope of normal will be 1 into m2 equal to minus 1. So m2 equal to minus 1. I need x1, y1. So x equal to e power 2t. So when t equal to 0, how much will I get x for? E power 0 is 1, so I get 1. Y equal to how much? 1 plus 2t e power minus t. So when you place t equal to 0, how much will you get? You get only 1. So place it in this now. Y minus 1 equal to slope, we got minus 1 into x minus 1. So how much will you get? Y minus 1 equal to minus x plus 1. So bring it here, x plus y minus 2 equal to 0. Is the equation of normal. Did you understand? Whenever normal is there, this is compulsory. And whenever t values are directly given, I can place it here. Instead of writing them here and then at last substituting, first only I can substitute it. Thank you.